I got a little bit late, but that's okay. It's the March box, and I went ahead and went through it and I did a video, but I did not like the video, so I'm redoing the video. And there is my cat in the background. That's Mr. Skittles. Isn't he cute? We just call him Skittles, but I just said Mr. Skittles. Okay, anyways, to continue with them. This is Bonjour Jolie. I think I'm pronouncing that right. The March box. I know it's April, but they are sending their boxes late for personal reasons. But anyways, you can check out their website. It's a period box once a month, $16 in the USA, and then $5 shipping and handling. So it's $21 a box, and I do think they ship to Canada. I'm not sure, so just check out their website to find out the information on that. And you do get a card that describes to you the edibles, the gift, the pampering. I did already go through this box, so you know. Okay, so here it is. I'm unboxing my Bonjour Jolie. I guess that's how you say it. I'm not really sure. And it's the March box, and here is everything: the edibles, the gift, and the pampering. Yay! And here is a note saying about the business. Okay, and here I am pretty much tearing. Instead of unboxing, I'm like tearing the paper. So inside we have, it looks like a necklace, and it's green. Then this looks like a bunch of candy. Let's see, what do we have in here? Let's open this. Okay, orange chocolate. Not sure how that's gonna taste. That might taste good. Okay, and what is this? This is like I think this is one of those like crackers or something. It's, yeah, the caramelized biscuit. I guess you like dip it in stuff, like maybe coffee or something. I'm totally not sure. And of course, Irish breakfast tea. More Irish breakfast tea. And then, let's see, another one of these caramelized biscuit. I think I got 3 packs of them. Here's another one. And then just down here, I'm not going to dig all this out. It's like a toffee, chocolate peppermint. Okay, and this must be like where the pads are. Because I think I just ordered pads. I don't think I ordered tampons. But let's see. Okay, yes. Here's some panty liners that I got. 5. And I do believe you get to pick out up to 25 items, as in pads, tampons, and panty liners, and you can like get the quantity however you want. Here's some tampons. So I did order tampons. And in this bag is the pads. So I got one more bag. Let's see what is in here. Okay, let's see, what is this? Basic Earth Botanicals Massage Bar. Includes, I can never say that word. I'm not even going to pronounce it. The I can't even say it. See, I'm trying to say it. Lemon, myrtle, gentle foliates, and cleanses the skin. And then we have, what is this? This is a natural lemon bar. Is that what that is? Like a soap or something? I have like a glare in here. My lighting is horrible, horrible, horrible. Okay, and then we have, what is this? I have like a glare. Let's see. I cannot. The something farm. This is another kind of soap. Okay. And then we have feminine hygiene wipes and 2 things of Advil. Okay, again, I do believe it costs a little bit more for this box. I think they ship to Canada. I'm not sure. Just check out their site, bonjourjolie.com. I will leave the links below. Again, this is my March box. And got all kinds of goodies. And you have a wonderful, wonderful day.